The FAA error code on a hire washing machine indicates an issue with the water level sensor, which can send incorrect information to the control panel if damaged. Common causes of this issue include clogged hoses, a damaged water level sensor, or a clogged drain pump filter. To fix the error, start by unclogging and cleaning the hoses, specifically those attached to the water inlet valve. Remove the hoses, clean the screens on both ends, and ensure the inlet valve is clear and allows water to flow freely. Reattach the hoses and plug in the machine. Next, check the drain pump filter by rotating it clockwise and clean it if necessary, also verifying that the impeller rotates smoothly. If these steps do not resolve the issue, examine the water level sensor for damage, and if found, consider replacing it with the help of a technician.